my sprinkler winterizing video, I showed how as I opened these two test cocks and blew air from the street side back this way out of the test cocks until it blew dry. I can also blow it out of this T-valve right here. And so what I did was I hooked my air up right here, and I used this adapter that I built, that I put together, and somebody in the comments asked if I had a breakdown of this adapter, so I will just go ahead and show you what pieces I bought and how I put this thing together. Okay, so here's the parts that I got. I got a 1" to a 3/4 reducer. That's just this piece right here. And that threaded piece is actually separate. I can't get it out because I have it in there so tight, but it's just a all threaded piece that goes into the 3/4 inch side. And then I got another reducer that's a 3/4 down to 1/2 inch. Thread that on there. Then this plumbing, I think it's a plumbing cap that's a 1/2 inch threaded side, and it actually has a threaded hole in that side. So that's going to go there. And then this universal piece that comes with like any air tools, like what I bought like a package of air tools to go along with my air compressor, and so this piece is the part that plugs into my air hose. So that screws in the top of the T-valve here, then the T-valve into the top of the first reducer. All three of those pieces have held without using any kind of Threadseal tape. However, on the two reducer pieces I did wrap Threadseal tape first, just to get a good tight bond there so the air doesn't leak anywhere. Tighten that up real tight, screw that on top of your pipe, plug that onto your air, and then you should be good to go.